that fun?
Yeah.
Did you like making the movie?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I went underwater.
Oh. What was your second favorite part?
When I got the celestial guys.
Oh. Okay, cool. Well, I'll go edit it. Bye.